Hey there from Singularity AI, folks. Today we've got an exciting challenger ready to take on Sora and revolutionize video editing. Let's dive in and see what's up. Introducing LTX Studio, a powerhouse that turns text into characters, settings, storyboards, and entire films with ease.
Dialogue and sound effects.
Stop. Yeah, I like it. But can the car be red?
You got it.
You're gonna hate me, but can we try it with a guy?
No problem.
Actually, let's go back to a girl.
Okay,
How about storyboarding?
no problemo.
We need an extra scene here.
Simple.
So, I have some ideas about casting.
Okay,
Can we talk lighting?
sure.
Does this thing do titles?
Every scar, every wound, a testament to battles fought and pain endured. Behind these bars, I've seen days turn to years, hope flickering like the dim light in these desolate corridors. But tonight, silence speaks of opportunity. With nothing but a shard of mirror as my guide, I watch, wait, because even the most guarded walls have shadows to hide in. Tonight I find my way through the darkness.
Okay, let's create a story.
A rookie cyberpunk bounty hunter finds himself at the center of a city gang war. After saving a mob, he's got to learn the rules fast if he wants to survive. A crime thriller packed with hits, jealousy, and power.
My first big break as a bounty hunter, and suddenly I'm the guy who tipped the scales in a gang war.
On the 28th of February, LTX Studio was introduced to the world. It appears that people kind of like the idea. So, we decided to show what it can do. We asked our followers to test it out by sending us a concept for a story. We can handle the rest. In literally minutes, we were able to turn these prompts into fully fledged stories with scenes, and storyboards, and generated movies with sound and music.
We don't just live, we thrive.
We went from idea to final concept film in under an hour, and along the way unearthed some mind-bending ideas for movies, series, and fantastical stories straight from your imaginations. LTX Studio. Join the waitlist now.